When a user is on the marketing page of Evalo and they click on sign up, this is the page where they're taken to. Here, the user can select an account type, whether they are an individual tutor or they are a tutoring business. So, depending on whichever one they select, they would be taken to the next step. If it's a tutoring business, the user would click on this. Then, in the next step, they would ask to enter their team size. Once they've selected the team size from the drop down, they click on continue, after which they would be asked to verify their email ID. Once the email ID is entered, the user clicks on verify email. So, whatever ID they've entered, they would have received a verification code on that email. So, that verification code needs to be entered here. Once the verification code has been entered, the user will click on continue. Then they would need to set up a password. Once the password has been entered, user will click on continue, post which they would be taken to this page. Now here you can see that Evalo offers 3 products: calendar, invoicing, and prep work. So depending on whichever product the user chooses, they would be taken to the subscription page. You can see that there are 3 subscription plans that is currently being offered: Explorer, which is the free plan, Crew, and then Armada. So Armada is the most popular plan. And then if the user chooses to purchase this, they will click on this button. They would be taken to the review and payment page. Here, the user can look at their card and all the products which they've added would be shown here. They can look at the order summary, how much amount would they have to pay for this particular product. They can enter their card details. They can enter a promotion or discount code if they have any. In case they would want to add more products here, so there's a button called add products. They can click on that and you can see that the selected plan for a product would be visible here. And then if the user wishes to purchase new plans, they can select the plan that they want to purchase for different products. Once they've done that, they can view the details here. They click on continue. Now you can see that the cart has been updated with all the products. In case they want to make any changes in any of the existing plans that they've chosen, they can click on this modify button. If they click on this, they would be taken to this page again where they can choose a different plan for that particular product. So once they've reviewed all the details, they would enter their card details. Once that is done, they can click on start your trial button. Now here you can see that the subscription has been created successfully. If the user clicks on this button, they would be asked to enter a few details which is required for setting up their account on Evalo. So they would need to enter their first name, their last name, their phone number, business name. Once the user has entered all the details, they'll click on this button, post which they would be taken to the home page. So as you can see, this is the homepage of invoicing. And then in the header, in the navigation, we have an app tray where the user can access all the products that they've subscribed. So this is how a user can create their account on Evalo.